Well, it is an absolutely gorgeous day. Let me show you what I got going on here this morning. It's been a busy morning. So if you look way up there at the corner, I'll zoom in. There's the cows. So here's the spring gate. I took the gate down over here. Actually, I'll just cut that so I can walk through here. Man, I love this Leatherman. So what I did was I got the cows in this pasture. It's done. I got the spring gates up, clean out yonder way. Got these ones up. This is not electrified yet. I got their waters right there. But for now, they're happy. We still have to put the wood fence down along this way, but I got to tear all this pipe work out and all these T-posts and stuff in here so they can do what I need them to do. So that's what I'm going to start on next. But that's an update on where I'm at. It'll be nice to get the cows out of here and get this cleaned up. I've had them yarded up in here for about 3 weeks now. You can see it's pretty mucky. So get some hay and seed down on this stuff and give it time to recover. But for now, I'm just going to work on getting these posts out, which when I put these in, it's just one, I just have one clamp on them. Yeah. So it looks like I need a 7/16 nut driver. And then we'll get to work on this. All right. Here we go.